In this video, what I'll be doing is making over $2,000 with pocket option binary options trading. So how I'll do this is I'll be using 3 indicators. So these are the 3 best indicators that I found work on pocket option. So here I'm going to be trading currencies primarily. I might switch over to stocks in another video as well. So let's dive right in. So first off, we want to make sure that there is, generally speaking, a crossover downwards. So when there's a crossover downwards, it's a good sign that uh, the stock will, or the currency or whatever asset you're trading will follow that direction. So here it crossed over downwards. So after it crossed over downwards, as you see, it went downwards quite a bit. And it's even better if it's paired with a buy or sell combined with the SuperTrend. And combined with the momentum, even better. Okay, so here had a buy right here, as you see, and here it crossed over upwards, and it was a buy in the buy level here, and it went up quite a bit after that. Okay, so we're just gonna follow these couple of indicators here. So this is a crossover downwards, red here. It's in the sell. I would do a sell, 15 seconds. See how this plays out. Okay. Everything's still in the red here. Red momentum, red crossover. So we profited there. It's great. First profit of the day. Already great profits. We're going to try to make a few more profits here. So here, it's in a buy level. I might be doing a crossover downwards here soon. It's going to cross over here now. If it switches over to a sell, that might be a decent opportunity. Let's do a sell here. See the crossover here. It's in the red momentum now, as we see. The only thing that's going against me is the general trend, because it's generally trading upwards. So doing a sell here is a little bit risky, but if you know what you're doing, you can make a profit like this. Okay, made that profit. So we're gonna try to go above and beyond in this video and make a few more. So let's go over to So this one is trending downwards, did a downwards crossover here, red momentum. I would say it's a decent opportunity to sell, potentially. Um, so here it just did a reversal. So it had a support level here, which is a decent support level. I should have noticed that. So now we're back. We're still in the profit. We're still in the green, right? So definitely have to look out for all these signals. But let's go through a few more here. So it did a crossover down here. I think it's in the red. Let's do that sell there. So this one has a minimum of 1 minute for selling and buying. So let's see how this plays out. So now it's actually in the green. So it's in the green here. And if it does a crossover upwards, I might do a buy. Let's see here. Let's look at the longer time frames, 15 seconds, for example. So 15 seconds is still in the sell territory, right? Let's go to 10 seconds and back to 5 seconds. Likely, this is going to be a loss unless it goes down quite a bit here. We'll see. Okay, so it's a loss. It's fine. Win-win. You win some, you lose some, right? So let's go over to, let's see where there's a crossover happening for the MACD, right? So crossover happened here. It's buy here. Trending, I'm not sure where it's trending too much, but I'd probably do a buy here. This is trending upwards. The only thing here that is a little bit risky is it might be trending downwards for the momentum very soon, because I saw a little bit of a slope downwards here. But as you see, it's going upwards now. So that's a good sign. Let's see how long this stands out for. Okay, perfect. And Still going upwards, still going upwards, still going upwards. It's really breaking through here. Really great movements. Okay. Now it's going down a little bit. Let's see if this can stay above the line for the next 15 seconds. GMSB can trade 15 seconds, sometimes every 1 minute as well. It really depends on the currency. So here, looks like it's going to be a profit. Sure enough, it was. So now we're back in green again. Here, let's see here. So here, did a crossover downwards. It's now red momentum. It's trending upwards. Now it's a sell, obviously. Be glad to give this a try. So now it's a green. It's going back up with momentum. Okay, so that's a close one. Now we're back in the red. So yeah, this strategy has about a 60% win rate. There's no strategy that has a 100% win rate. So if we do enough trades and we follow the exact strategy, then you will get a profit. Here, downwards crossover, sell, red momentum. I wouldn't do this one. Now let's go into the green here. Let's go back to the top here. So green, green, green. Seems like a good buy opportunity here. So now it's going to red here a little bit, but everything else looks pretty solid for this one. Did a crossover here. It says buy right here. See this crossover, and sure enough, it does. So now we're back in the green. So now profiting again. Like I said, do enough trades, follow the exact strategy, you'll profit. Now let's say sell. Okay. So here, I wouldn't do this one. It did the crossover here a little while ago. It was 10 candlesticks ago almost. So we want to try to look at recent crossovers here. So recent crossover here, right here, red, right? Decent opportunity to sell, I would say. The only thing that's bothering me here a little bit is it's uptrending quite a bit. So the sell levels are pretty short here. It lasts around 30 seconds to a minute. Let's see how long this will last for. So this is kind of going to green territory a little bit. Momentum still kind of red. Let's see here. Now it's getting the green territory a little bit. Okay. Okay. Looks like it's a decent profit opportunity here. The crossover here, we bought at a sell. No, we did a sell at this point right here. Sure enough, we did another profit. Okay, so we made a good amount of profit in this video here. So if you want to get 50% on the first deposit trading on Pocket Option, go to becoin.net and click Pocket Option here, enter this promo code, and you'll get up and running in just minutes. And you can get forecasts on becoin.net as well for cryptocurrency, forex, and stocks.